Dear colleagues, friends, and students, in part 1, we have learned about the importance of future problem solving to help our students to be alert to the problem in today's world, to prevent the disastrous situations in the future. We have also learned about a problem-solving tool called SSS ACE. This is a step-by-step tool that we can equip our students to solve problems. Presently, we shall see how SSS ACE helps us see a big problem and solve it. As you have known, the first S in SSS ACE stands for sensitivity. How do our students start with sensitivity? This sensitivity may start from the student's personal experience, to be aware of the problems around them, to make themselves responsible as an active citizens. This personal experience is strong enough to motivate the students to use their information skill to rigorously search more information concerning the problem they are concerned about. They develop their awareness that they need to creatively contribute to explore possibilities for a better future, and even to find ways for developing solutions. Let's see how students can rely on personal experience. From their own experience when they recently had a school trip to Bali, students witnessed themselves, in spite of the peak season, unlike the previous impressions when they visited Bali, Bali has much less international tourists today. As good citizens, they are aware of unfavorable situations and the looming crises that may take place. Vendors did talk, voice this problem to them. This happens because of the 2 bomb blasts in Bali. They have also perhaps heard many times that their relatives who were once tourism practitioners or workers in Bali had to switch to other jobs, if they afford to find any. Traders and manufacturers, mostly from Java or Lombok, who export their goods to Bali, have also been badly affected. They have also incidentally read in newspapers that Bali is a major destination in Indonesian tourism industry. It is also a prominent window shop for Indonesian products. However, Bali destination marketers have faced greater challenges at the wake of the devastating 2 terrorist attacks in 2002 and 2005. Now, let's look what students do with the second step, selection. Students are aware that tourism in Bali is not the only problem in Indonesia, but they are also aware that they cannot ignore Bali as an icon of tourism in Indonesia. Therefore, tourism in Bali is worth their efforts for a solution. This time, they use their information skill to find out whether they need to contribute to this problem, or their efforts can be redundant. A student who has developed their social and moral sensitivity and responsibility may have the initiatives to use their information skill to search more and more information about the problem they are concerned about. This information can basically be the authorities' opinion and statistics to show whether or not the problem needs further action. At this stage, students will also find it through the available statistics that there is a sharp downturn in the Bali economy. Bali has highly relied on tourism. It is one of the major gateways of tourism in Indonesia. Bali contributed around 40% of Indonesia's $5 billion